meeting successful.
The whole point of this event and the whole objective of the United Nations support for gender in this country is to make sure that the women's voice is heard more loudly, more often, and in more places. We need to ensure that women's voice and women's participation is strong in the federalism process, in the review of the Constitution, in the democratization and elections process. Women must have a strong place and a strong voice in all those processes, and we shall make sure that that happens.
waxaan dawladdu go'aan ku gaartay in la sameeyo haddana recommendationkiina tala soo jeedintiina ku jirtay special police unit for women crimes oo u badan gabdho in la sameeyo. Already police commissionerka assignmentgaas waa la siiyey, waana socotaa recruitmentiga gabdho saraakiil iyo waxaasna hadda way socdaan oo unitkaas si khaas uga shaqeeyo. midda labaad waxay tahay dawladdu inay sameyso clinic khaasa oo u khaasa victimska gabdhaha victimska oo kufsiga amuuriisa la xiriira. ma qabno asiga lafsidiisa treatment gaar u baahan yahay dhakhtarka caadiga iyo checking caadiga iyo facility health caadiga ah waxba badan kuma taraan. wuxuu u baahan yahay special clinic for rape victims ayadana dawladdu ay dadaalkiisa ku jirto safe house in loo sameeyo victimska inta ay traumada iyo waxaas ay ka soo kabanayso.
The main obstacle for women, it's not religion. People, they may say it is religion, Islamic religion. It's not that, it's the culture. The culture, because our system still is based, the selection of and members of parliament or government, it depends on it's based on a clan base. And the clan, they prefer, the leaders of the clan are the male. We are in the male society system. So who will be first will be a male. I will not have chance because they will give a male in my position. So the main obstacle is peace and security, and then the culture.
The women are done with lip services. We want real, tangible actions, and we don't just want. Whenever we talk about women representations, they throw one or two women in somewhere, and all of a sudden that solves our problems. Our problems are institutional. Women early on are discriminated against in education, in job opportunity, and then later on in decision-making bodies. So we want to assure the president and the rest of the government that we are committed and we want to be his partner. We want to be the government's partner in this role. But we are done with lip service and we want real, tangible solutions.